am Amlan Mohanty from class 8th.
And I am Tanvi Sharma from class 12th.
On 1st January, the school welcomed 2025 with joy and renewed enthusiasm. A special assembly was conducted where students and teachers reflected on the past year, set meaningful resolutions, and prayed for a year filled with learning, growth, and success. The atmosphere was filled with positivity as students pledged to uphold the values of discipline, kindness, and perseverance.
On 13th January, the school kicked off the year with an intensive basketball and throwball training session, fostering teamwork, discipline, and athletic skills among students. Interactive session on school cinema with class 8 by Dishant Das, a renowned producer at Red FM Mumbai. It was an engaging session on school cinema conducted for the students of class 8, introducing them to the fundamentals of filmmaking and the power of visual storytelling. Through thought-provoking short films, students explored themes rooted in values, empathy, self-awareness, and responsible decision-making. The session encouraged critical thinking and meaningful discussions, helping students to connect to cinematic narratives with real-life situations and the core morals upheld by the school.
On 15th January, the school observed Army Day with great reverence, paying tribute to the courageous leaders and soldiers of our nation. The assembly resonated with patriotic fervor as students expressed their gratitude through speeches and presentations.
17th January had students participating in the Talent Search Examination, a platform to identify and nurture exceptional talents in various disciplines. The exam encouraged students to challenge themselves and showcase their academic potential.
On 18th January, a fun day for parents organized by class 9th was a joyous event filled with outdoor games and activities. Parents enthusiastically participated, strengthening their bond with the school community in an atmosphere of fun and laughter.
18th to 30th January was the SUPW week and book fair visit. The students of class 9th actively engaged in socially useful productive work week, participating in meaningful activities. As part of this, they also visited the book fair, exploring literature and enriching their love for reading.
On 19th January, the students from classes 6th, 7th and 8th participated in the Junior Mathematics Olympiad, testing their problem-solving skills and fostering a love for mathematics through competitive challenges.
19th January was a moment of great pride for the school as Arnab Sanjeev Mishra of class 10th B secured the second position in the prestigious Allen Championship. His remarkable achievement earned him a cash prize of Rs 1,60,000 along with 5 grams of gold. In recognition of his excellence, Principal Sister Navya felicitated him in a special ceremony, inspiring his peers to strive for academic brilliance.
On 22nd January, the students of class 11th visited the leprosy colony in Bulla, distributing food packets as a gesture of love and charity. This visit instilled in them a deep sense of empathy and social responsibility, making it a truly meaningful experience.
On 23rd of January, the school observed a special observation day during the assembly, commemorating the contributions of great national leaders. The day also featured a freedom fighter fancy dress competition where our students showcased their creativity and bagged several prizes.
On 23rd January, the students of class 11 participated in a rally dedicated to Veer Surendra Sai, a legendary freedom fighter, and also commemorated the Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. The event was a tribute to these national heroes and their unwavering fight for India's freedom.
On 26th of January, the Republic Day celebration was conducted by class 9th, featuring a vibrant cultural program filled with patriotic performances. The occasion was also marked by the felicitation of students who excelled in the Ramanujan Mathematics examination, recognizing their exceptional achievements.
On 26th January, NCC boys and civilian girls shine at MCL, bringing honor to the school. Our NCC boys and civilian girls won prestigious prizes at the Mahanadi Coalfields Limited Republic Day celebrations, showcasing their discipline, dedication and excellence.
On 26th of January, adding to the school's achievement, the cultural dance group secured the second prize at the Mahanadi Coalfields Limited Republic Day celebrations. Their breathtaking performances earned them a monumental trophy, making the school proud. A moment of profound significance was the felicitation of the teaching and non-teaching staffs who were bestowed with the title of Veterans of Education. Their dedication, perseverance and unwavering service to the institution have been instrumental in shaping young minds and nurturing the future of the nation. This tribute was a testament to the invaluable role they play in fostering knowledge, discipline and moral values among students. The celebration concluded with a renewed sense of pride, gratitude and responsibility towards the nation and the educational mission of the school.
30th January, the students of class 11th performed a powerful Nukkad Natak at two major locations in Sambalpur, the main railway station and the Gol Bazaar petrol pump. Through their impactful act, they addressed crucial social issues, leaving the audience with a meaningful message and appreciation for their talent.
On 31st of January, the school bid an emotional farewell to the class of 2025, marking the end of their cherished journey at St. Joseph's Convent Higher Secondary School. The juniors expressed their gratitude through heartfelt speeches and performances celebrating the legacy left behind by their seniors. In her inspiring address, Principal Sister Navya encouraged the outgoing students to uphold the values of integrity, perseverance and excellence as they step into a new chapter of life. The event concluded with the felicitation of students for their contributions to academics, leadership and co-curricular activities, leaving them with fond memories and the unwavering blessings of their alma mater.
That's all for this edition of St. Joseph's Convent News. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care and stay inspired.
Subscribe for more updates.